Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe. Please stay at home and stay healthy. From today onwards, we are going to start your computer classes. Your first chapter is Fundamentals of Computer. In this chapter, we will cover the topics characteristics of the computer, limitations of a computer, working of computer, computer's memory, and applications of computer. First topic is what is a computer. Computer is a machine that processes billions of the instructions per second and can store large amount of information. Computer is an electronic machine that works very fast. It vary in their sizes and types. The computer are classified based on their size and type. Types are microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. Basically, computer system consists of two parts, hardware and software. Physical parts of the computer is known as hardware. Hardware parts of the computer like keyboard, mouse, hard disk, printer, etc. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer about the task to be performed and how to be performed. We have a two type of the software, system software and the application software. System software controls overall the working of the computer and application software are basically designed for the users. Next topic is characteristics of a computer. The first characteristics of a computer is high speed. Computers are very fast. They are capable of performing large calculations. Their working speed is microsecond, nanosecond and the picosecond. Second characteristic is accuracy. Computer always give correct result. It perform all the jobs error free. Third characteristic is storage capability. Computers have much more storage capacity than the human being. They can store any type of the data such as images, voice, videos, text, etc. Next is diligence. Computers are free from the tiredness. They can do repeated work with the same speed and the accuracy. Last one is versatility. It can perform multitask. Multitask means they can solve a problem and play a game simultaneously, means multiple work process at the same time. Is limitations of computer. First one is no self intelligence, means computer does not have intelligence to its own to compute the task. Second one is no decision making power. That means they cannot do any work without instructions given by the user. Third one is lack of feelings. Next topic is working of a computer. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. The four main functions of a computer are input, process, output, storage. All types computer perform the same basic operations. Basically, computer works on the IPO cycle, that is known as the input, process, output. Just take an example of real life, making a mango shake. I think all the students know about how to make a mango shake. Just first collect the ingredients for mango shake and sugar, milk, mango. Peel the mango and cut into small pieces and put it into a mixer jar and add some milk, add some sugar, then start the mixer, and after processing pour the mango shake in a glass. See, collect ingredients is known as the input. When mixer perform the works is a process. When we get a mango shake in a glass is a output. In same manner computer works. See, this is a block diagram of a computer system. Computer works in this manner: input, processing, output. Input, they accept the data and instructions from the user. CPU is a processing device that process the instructions that is given by the input and give the result or information is called output. Secondary storage, the main purpose of storage is to store the data and instructions for the future use. These four main functions of a computer. First one is the input. Any data or instructions entered into a computer is known as input. Data means raw information or facts and figures. It can be letters, numbers, special characters, images, etc. Process means treating the data according to the instructions and changing it in the form of information. CPU is the processing device. Next one is output. The data that has been processed into a useful form. Storage. The computer stores the data and information on the storage devices for the future use. Input devices. The devices which is used to enter data into the computer is called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, etc. First one is a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that contains keys. Desktop computer keyboard has 101 to 105 keys. These keyboards are often attached through a cable to a USB port. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that fits comfortably under the palm of your hand. You can use the mouse to select or move items on the screen as well as to provide instructions for the computer to follow. Next input device is scanner. A scanner is an input device used to send images and text directly into a computer. Means you can scan images such as photographs, drawings and logos into a computer. Fourth one is joystick. A joystick is a pointing device which is used to control the action in a computer game. Joystick is mostly used in game parlors. Fifth one is microphone. Microphone is an input device used to send our voice into a computer. It is used to record our voice. Sixth one is a barcode reader. This is a type of handheld scanner that reads the barcode of a product. A barcode is a machine readable code in the form of white and black lines that are present on the almost all the products such as chocolates, books, wafers, etc. Seventh input device is OMR. The full form of OMR is optical mark recognition. This device is used to read the marks made by pencil or pen on sheet. Example, OMR sheet. OMR processing is popular for the multiple choice test. Eighth one is MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. This device is used to read the magnetic characters printed in a special ink on the document such as check. It is used to read and identify magnetized characters printed on a document such as check. It is mostly used in banks. Next is OCR, optical character reader or optical character recognition. A document scanned using a normal scanner is stored as an image but is not directly editable. But OCR is a type of scanner which scans handwritten or printed text on a paper and converts into actual text which can be edited. Next Next input device is graphic tablet. This input device is used in CAD, means computer aided designing. Graphic tablet is also called the digitizer, is an input device which has special pen that is called stylus to write on it. Next one is smart card reader. A smart card contains small process that holds certain information like PIN number, account number, etc. Smart card reader are special machine where these cards are put in. They are basically as an extension of ATMs. Last one is biometric sensor. This is the latest technology. This is the measuring of unique attributes of human such as DNA matching, fingerprints, face shape recognition. Thank you.